today, something special, unboxing, and this time it's a gift to me from my lovely wife. Something I've always liked, and in the colour I've always liked. And people who know me will know that orange is one of my favourite colours. This is a limited edition Victorinox knife. As you can see, it's the Victorinox 2021. It has the Swiss Army knife emblem embossed in the box. Comes in a lovely box with the name on it and on the label, sleeve. On the back of the box it has part number. It also has a little bit of history from Victorinox, some little bits and pieces, lots of information. Very nice box. Opens up, and inside is a limited edition 2021 certificate from Victorinox. Tells you a little bit about the knife and size, dimensions, that sort of thing. Now, people who know me know I love orange, and this is why my wife bought me an orange knife. As you can see, it's a lovely texture, a bit like a pineapple, which is also a fruit that I like. It has the Swiss Army logo on one side, and on the other side it has the date, 2021. Nice thick strong rivets, a little ring for holding it. And the thing I like about these knives are they're guaranteed for life. If any of the blades or springs break through a fault in the manufacturing, they replace the entire knife free of charge. You start with the normal knife blade, and as always with their blades, it's really sharp, very good quality steel. They are one of the best in my opinion. It has a little knife on the back. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but it's very sharp there. We have the traditional bottle opener with wide screwdriver. On the other side we have the can opener with small screwdriver. I find these very good, very strong, and you always find that you need a screwdriver when you haven't got a screwdriver, so the knife is handy to have just for those little jobs. And the other thing that comes with these is a pair of scissors, and as you can see, a nice big size scissors. And they're so smooth in the action. Now it looks like it's a little awkward to open. It's not really, it's just I'm trying to open it for the camera, but normally you'd open it easily when you're pulling it to one side. So there she is, a lovely colour, lovely knife, very strong steel. Got that quality clip when everything goes back in. And these knives are very comfortable, very nice in the hand. You can feel the quality and the strength in them, even though they're not extremely heavy. But yes, a lovely knife and a lovely present of my wife. Something that you can use. No, you can use, keep as an ornament, being a limited edition. I don't know how many there are, to be honest. I haven't read the certificate properly, but I know there aren't millions. Made in Switzerland by Victorinox. As you can see, it has a little bit of history, where it was made, company logo, website. High number. Can't see it, no. Just the date. So the knives are not numbered as such, but they are stamped with the year manufacturer. So you have a different knife every year for a different year. A very nice gift, and I love it. And I don't know whether the orange lettering is because the knife is orange, or is that their standard lettering for all their knives. But knowing Victorinox, it is the orange right in for the orange knife, which I think is a really nice touch. All in all, very good knife.